YouTube video. Today we are unboxing Caribbean Airlines airplane. As you can see, it's real toy Darren, Caribbean Airlines. This is my first ever real toy slash Darren plane. Because usually these are all Gemini jets, except that one. That one's just like I don't know. Like these are all Gemini jets. This is like, I don't know what type of, it's a fighter jet, but I don't know like what company. So we're going to be unboxing this for today, Caribbean Airlines. And sorry that I didn't upload for a while, just because I was waiting for this to come. Alright, okay, we're going to be doing this. See, Caribbean Airlines. I just totally destroyed it. Alright, it's going to be opening this up. There's tape on the side. It's going to be opening that up. Alright, got that. Put aside. Alright, is that open? Alright, it is officially open. It is officially opened. So, I'm gonna need some scissors for this. So look, I'll be right back. Let me go get some scissors. I got the scissors. So, clean this off. There you go. Alright, here's the plane. First, I'm having a real toy Darren, so I don't really know what to expect from it. But as you can see right here, like right here, the paint, whatever is coming off, or sticker paint, whatever, and also right here is coming off. So that pretty sucks. It also engine also seems kind of dented right there compared to the other one. I mean, other than that, it's good. Except how these wheels move and this doesn't. The sticker or painting, whatever, is good. Other than that, it's good. But I would get this plane, but try getting it from the actual website, because I was gonna get it from the actual website, like Darren, whatever. But I got it from Walmart because it was it was pretty expensive, and I don't have that much. And I was using my own money, so I don't have a bunch. So if you want it to be cheaper, get it from Walmart. But Walmart also makes it pretty cheap. Like, as you can see, it looks like the stickers or whatever is unraveling. The engine's kind of like right here it's fine, but right here you can kind of see like paint or whatever coming off. It's good, but yeah. Alright, but it's a good plane. It is that, like, if you guess Walmart kind of messed it up. I don't know. Maybe because it was in a box, maybe it was shaking or whatever. Maybe not all the time it'll do it, but if it does, then it's fine. It's not really noticeable. If you're far away, you can't really notice it, but once you get closer, you notice it. So I guess it doesn't really matter. But it has no antennas, so. And this is the back of the box. Front of the box. Box pretty good. It doesn't really matter about the box. Comes in this. But yeah. So yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please enjoy, like, subscribe, and yeah, and see you in the next one. What's up, guys? Hope you like, subscribe, and there's an explosion.